What's going on? It's your brother X, and I am back to do another video for you guys. And in this video, we're going to be talking about, during today's times, how often should you be washing your beard? Okay, so this is a topic that has recently, because of the turn of events that's going on, has been covered already. There's a lot of people that have done videos about this, but I'm constantly getting questions about how often you should wash your beard due to what's going on with Corona, as well as some people and the types of jobs they do. Now, my brother B. Dot recently did a video, I believe, on how often you should wash your beard. I've been getting asked questions about what my take is on how often you should wash your beard. So I'm going to give you guys some tips and some tricks and how you can avoid seeing the negative effects of overwashing your beard. And I am going to go ahead and put this disclaimer out and say this first and foremost, health and cleanliness over everything. And what I mean when I say that is, don't sacrifice your health by not washing your beard because you're worried about the damage it might do to your beard. Don't sacrifice being clean or having a fresh smelling beard, depending on what kind of job you do, and leave your beard dirty because you're worried about beard breakage. Or you've seen so many videos, myself included, that have put videos out explaining how washing your beard 1 to 2 times a week is sufficient. It all depends on what type of job you do. And of course, in today's climate with what's going on, I think that every time you come in the house, you should be washing your beard. Now, is that going to dry your beard out? Yes. Are there steps you can do to help to mitigate and reverse some of that dryness? Absolutely. And I'm going to tell you guys what I think. Number one, your process should be wash your beard when you come home, okay? In the shower, and then you're going to apply your conditioner after you wash. So you're going to wash, you're going to rinse, apply your conditioner. You're going to get out of the shower. On the damp beard, you're going to apply all of your products, your oils, your butters, whatever it is you use. When you wake up in the morning, if you're washing your beard every day, this is the time where you're going to pack your beard full of a little bit more moisture to help break that dry cycle. You're going to go ahead and co-wash in the morning. And a co-wash is when you use a conditioner only. You put a conditioner in, you let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, okay? And then you rinse it out before you get out of the shower. All right, that's going to help to pack that moisture back into your beard. And then when you get out of the shower, I'm also going to say you should use a good leave-in. Now, I recommend the Scotch Porter leave-in. It's the one that I use. It's the one that works for me. And I'm going to tell you, applying the leave-in is going to help to add some more of that moisture in that you're losing because you're overwashing. All right. So I normally would say this time of year, when you start getting to the warmer months, I start backing off the leave-in and I don't use it anymore. But because of what's going on, and because you may have to wash your beard every day if you're leaving the house, or if you have the type of job where you're getting dust and dirt and debris in your beard, or you're sweating because you're working out and all these things, that's the time where you may have to use a leave-in more often than not. So start by using it a couple times a week. And if you're still noticing dryness, maybe you got to step it up to where you're using it more often. So, maybe you can start off by using it 3 times a week, then bump it up to 4 to 5, whatever the case may be. But use a leave-in. Then after the leave-in, you're going to do your same thing. You're going to apply your oil and possibly a little bit of butter on top, depending. The other tip that I'm going to give you is, if you're washing your beard every day, I'm going to recommend you do a deep condition 1 time a week. I'm not going to go in depth about what a deep condition is. I've done videos on it. It's basically you're applying your conditioner, Jamaican black castor oil, maybe a coconut oil. You're putting a bag over your beard, applying some heat to it. You're creating the moisture, and you're allowing those products to really break down and work into the beard and really moisturize and soften your beard up. All right, you're going to let that sit for about anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. Take it off, rinse it out. You're good to go. These are some of the steps that can help you to get over the fact that you may have to overwash your beard. There's no way around it. And I would much rather you brothers stay safe, stay healthy, and stay clean than worry about, causing some breakage or split ends. And if you get your beard to the point where it's truly healthy, you'll be able to get away with it. All right. Before I go, I just want to say to everyone that has placed orders and sent me DMs, and I really truly appreciate you, brothers, for purchasing the Bearded Existence apparel. A lot of you guys have purchased my hats. You see I got one on right now, have purchased my shirts and all these things, and I just want to say thank you. I know there's a lot of things going on, and for you guys still to be showing me so much love, I truly really appreciate you guys. And even though it's not even something I even feel comfortable talking about in these times, I don't even really feel comfortable talking about, and you guys see I'm not even promoting any of my apparel or anything like that. I also wouldn't feel good if I didn't say I truly thank and appreciate all of you guys, and I really hope you and your families are doing great and are doing well, and my thoughts and prayers are with all of y'all. I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video for the Scotch Porter if you want to take a look at it, or whatever leave-in you have. If your wife or your lady has a leave-in in the house, you can try that one. I am gonna say just be careful and take a look at the ingredients of whatever you're gonna use, and make sure it's not something that's gonna dry your beard out over a long period of time, or apply a lot of heavy silicones and things like that. They're gonna make your beard feel soft, but over the long haul, it's going to prevent the other products from working, and it's really going to, being that you're going to be washing your beard on a daily basis, you really want to use a good conditioner and a good leave-in. So just be cautious of that. All right. Once again, I appreciate all y'all. It's your brother X, and hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Tap the like button. Do me that favor, and I'll be back at y'all again soon. All right. Peace.